Our next release, iPadOS 17, takes iPad even further, bringing new levels of personalization and making iPad even more capable, starting with widgets and the lock screen. I can also tap one to mark it as complete right here. And as I do, the widget gracefully animates it away. These types of quick interactions. Widgets. The lock screen is a great place to see information at a glance and even perform quick actions. And we're happy to report that now you can even keep track of multiple timers. We truly live in an age of wonders. So now, right from the lock screen, you can keep track of a food order with Uber Eats, travel plans with Flighty, the score with Major League Soccer, or a timer. I can tap the time to adjust the font and the color, and even change the font weight to get it just right.
When you're working together, you see each other's updates in real time. So as you scribble something down, the changes you make appear right away on your collaborator's iPad. Live collaboration even works with stickers and images. And when you drop an image into a PDF, you can still annotate right on top of it. If you need to finish later, you can use live collaboration from anywhere. It's even great combined with a FaceTime call.
And Freeform, which gets new drawing tools like watercolor, fountain pen, and shape recognition, along with a new feature called Follow Along that lets you follow a collaborator and track as they move around the canvas.
Thanks to new machine learning models, iPadOS can identify the fields in a PDF, so you can use Autofill to quickly fill them out with information like names, addresses, and emails from your contacts. This even works on documents you scan with the camera. And if you need to sign it, you can add a safe signature or make a new one with Apple Pencil. When you're ready, you can easily reply back with your completed form in Mail.
This scene removal, drag this bad boy.
Yeah, try that out. Wow.
That's a great key.
Yeah, that's crazy. And jog back and forth.
This would save a lot of time.
Ooh, that's cool. So you could go here, guitar strips, like a real guitar. But having it in Logic completely changes the things you can do with it. This is so easy to use.